Welcome back to the channel where powerful machines, futuristic engineering, and next-generation vehicles come together. If you love massive equipment and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive railroad maintenance machines of the future, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026. Make sure you stay till the end, because this machine is redefining how rail infrastructure is built and maintained. The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is not just an excavator adapted for rails. It's a purpose-built, high-precision machine designed specifically for demanding railway environments. Built with Liebherr's legendary engineering quality, this model is aimed at operators who need reliability, accuracy, and efficiency on active rail networks. From maintenance work to track renewal and complex lifting tasks, this machine is engineered to handle it all with confidence. One of the most striking features of the RE 25M Litronic is its railroad mobility system. It can smoothly transition between rail tracks and road surfaces, allowing it to move quickly between job sites without additional transport equipment. This saves valuable time and reduces operational costs, especially for large railway projects that span long distances. The rail guidance system is extremely stable, ensuring safe and precise movement even on uneven or curved tracks. Powering the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is a high-performance, fuel-efficient diesel engine that meets modern emission standards while delivering strong, consistent output. The engine works seamlessly with Liebherr's advanced hydraulic system, providing smooth, responsive control for delicate operations as well as heavy lifting. Whether it's handling sleepers, rails, or ballast, the machine delivers impressive force without sacrificing precision. The Litronic control system is where this machine truly shines. It intelligently manages engine speed, hydraulic flow, and overall performance to match the task at hand. This not only improves productivity, but also reduces fuel consumption and wear on components. Operators can feel the difference immediately, as movements are fluid, predictable, and highly accurate. Even during complex rail maintenance operations, the operator cabin in the 2026 model has been upgraded for maximum comfort and visibility. Large panoramic windows provide a clear view of the tracks and surrounding work area, which is essential for safe railway operations. Inside, the cabin is quiet, ergonomically designed, and equipped with intuitive controls, adjustable seating, climate control, and a modern display system allow operators to work long shifts with reduced fatigue and increased focus. Safety is a major priority in the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad. The machine includes advanced braking systems, emergency stop functions, and stability monitoring to ensure secure operation on rails. Sensors and smart systems help prevent overload situations and enhance control during lifting tasks. These features are especially important when working on active or high-traffic rail lines, where precision and reliability are critical. Maintenance and serviceability have also been carefully considered in the 2026 design. Key components are easily accessible, reducing downtime during inspections or repairs. Liebherr's durable build quality ensures long service life, even in harsh working conditions. This makes the RE 25M Litronic a smart long-term investment. For railway contractors and infrastructure companies in real-world applications, this machine proves its value every day. From replacing track components to supporting large-scale rail upgrades, it adapts effortlessly to different tasks. Its ability to operate efficiently in tight rail corridors and urban environments makes it especially valuable for modern railway systems that demand speed, safety, and minimal disruption. Overall, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 represents the future of rail maintenance machinery. It combines power, intelligence, and versatility in a single platform designed to meet the evolving demands of global rail infrastructure. This is not just a machine. It's a solution built for precision, productivity, and performance on the tracks. If you enjoyed this deep look at the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow machine lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing vehicles and heavy equipment from the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another powerful machine you won't want to miss.